organizations, citizen platforms, cultural institutions, religious institutions, and the Electoral Commission as a key stakeholder in managing our electoral processes, as a midway for our electoral processes. They gladly offered this meeting to interact with us on a wide range of issues that relate to electoral management. We have had a 2 hours meeting. Only one commissioner missed the meeting, meaning that they took this as very, very important. We would like to thank them for enabling this interaction. The interaction focused on matters related to their role in the past and in the forthcoming election, aware that they have already rolled out a roadmap. We have shared with them our considered frustrations, our fears, and they have responded to some of them. They have promised to formally write back to us because our issues were written, and we have shared our written commentary, our written issues with them. So we believe we have had a very good interaction, and the Commission has committed to another interaction after they have thoroughly internalized issues we have shared with them in booklet form.
So what are some of the...
A number of areas. One, their role in demarcating constituencies, given that the national census was conducted, and they have informed us that the process is incomplete because they missed some information from NIRA. We have shared with them our concerns with the National Voter Register, which is both manual and biometric, and how it can disfigure, how it has been an issue in a number of electoral challenges before court. And that they have committed that they are trying to reconcile both legally and practically how they can deal with the issue of a dual voter register. Thirdly, we have shared with them and asked them how they are dealing with a court decision in Electoral versus AG and Electoral Commission that compels them to organize for the voting of prisoners and the diaspora. And the response has been they are ready as long as the legal framework is facilitative, because it's not their mandate to change the law, it's the mandate of Parliament. So I thought that was a much more present response, because you are aware that I took to Parliament